you, my name is Anna, and today I'm going to read for you book Splish, Splash, Ducky by Lucy Cousins and published by Walker Books. Hello, I'm Ducky Duckling. When I'm feeling happy, I say quack, quack, quack. Oh, goody! Hooray! It's raining today. I'm going to find my friends to play. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, 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 drip. I hope we're frogs. Quack, quack, quack. I like to scream with wiggly worms. Quack, quack, quack. A hug for Bob and hug for Slack. Quack, quack, quack. Into the pond to play with swans. Quack, quack, quack. Splash, splish, I swim with fish. Quack, quack, quack. We shake our feathers. Quack, quack, quack. Trip, drop, blip, blop. Rain is funny on your tummy. Quack, quack, quack. Squeak, squeak, hide and seek. Quack, quack, quack. Oh no! The rain has stopped. No more drips. No more drops. No more quacking. I'm feeling sad. I think I will go and see my dad. Cheer up, Ducky. Here comes the sun. Look at the butterflies. Having fun. We quack together, whatever the weather. Hop on my back and quack, quack, quack.